नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर गिरिजा शेषाद्री हूँ, जनरल सेक्रेटरी विश्व हिंदू विद्या केंद्र और सेक्रेटरी एंड करस्पॉन्डेंट फॉर पूरा हिंदू विद्यालय तमिलनाडु से। I am very happy to share what all we have done all these 50 years, right from 1975 until today, and continue to do it. Here there is no stop. It is continuing, and I am very happy when I met our Prime Minister Ji on 15th तारीख अप्रैल महीने at Kanyakumari at आर्मी हेलीपैड। उस समय it was बहुत खुशी, and when प्राइम मिनिस्टर आए थे ना उधर, हम बोलना है नमस्ते, वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर से नमस्ते, गोल्डन जुबली है। I immediately said yes, golden jubilee, and I want you to come. Then he started asking me a lot of questions. Come on, tell me how many donations you have made, what all the things you have done. Like that he started, and I have to tell. I am very happy to say that I started these schools under Vishwa Hindu Vidya Kendra in 1975 with just 7 children at Chennai, Tamil Nadu. चेन्नई में मामलम, वेस्ट मामलम में हमारा जय गोपाल गरुड़िया हिंदी स्कूल है। इधर अभी 2000 स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ना है। 50 years completed है, 50 वर्ष we have completed, and I am very happy that this year Prime Minister must come because Silver Jubilee है ना। उस समय our Vajpayee ji came for the Silver Jubilee function. We were so thrilled, and he honored all the teachers. And how did he come? When I went to Kulu Manali trekking, I got with some 100 children. I got an appointment to meet the Prime Minister at his house. So we went there and met the Prime Minister, and we actually sang a song for him, which that song he loves it a lot. I am going to show it to you at the end of the this meeting, that which song he liked it most. And when we sang that, he was thrilled. How your children can speak Hindi and they are able to sing in Hindi. I said that fine arts doesn't require any language. Anybody can learn anything. There are 15 हिंदू विद्यालय स्कूल्स हैं और तमिलनाडु में है। तमिलनाडु में चेन्नई डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है और थोड़ा कन्याकुमारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है और एक तूतुकुड़ी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है, एक रामनाथपुरम डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है। टोटली 15 हिंदू विद्यालय है। वो बहुत अच्छा काम करते थे। उधर बच्चों बहुत पढ़ना है। रिजल्ट 10th 12th स्टैंडर्ड में अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है। और 12th स्टैंडर्ड में 82% में वो बना है और 10th स्टैंडर्ड में 75% स्कूल एवरेज है। ये सब स्कूल एवरेज, वो 100% रिजल्ट एवरी वर्ष में है। और 2 साल में पहले और प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी बोलना है मन की बात में, एक दिन पर 1 रुपया हम सब देने के, वो 1 वर्ष में सब बिग टोटल आता है। और उस समय दैट कैन बी गिवन टू द आर्मी पीपल हु आर मेंटेनिंग द बॉर्डर सो सेफ फॉर अस। वो अच्छा काम करते थे। वो हमारा soldiers हैं, we have to look after their needs and everything. When I told that to my students who have been taught history, अच्छा है, हिस्ट्री पार्ट में कैसा इंडिया इवॉल्व है, एंड हाउ इंडिया में किस किस स्टेट में कौन कौन राज देश का सैक्रिफाइस कर दिया, वो सब के लिए कैसा बना है, क्या हिस्ट्री है फॉर अवर लैंड. All these things were told to the children when they read, but they don't have the books like that. But I, being the history professor, and I did my history, and my doctorate in education is on the reformation of the educational ideas and everything, and that has motivated me to do the research also. And all our school books में पाठ में कोई नो इन देश का स्टोरी नहीं है. सो इस समय हम एक एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एक एक स्टूडेंट में कर दिया, finalize the history of that district. So they started doing that, and then we had the exhibition, and in that exhibition they used to tell which state contributed what, how the Marathas, how Rani Padmini did it, how Ganga Devi came and when the Malikapur destroyed everything at Madura, how she rebuilt the temple. Everything I taught them, I used to tell them during these students का camp है. Every year students के लिए camp. वो एक समय from north one gentleman came and told me, "Madam, do you have a hostel?" I said, "No, hostel is not there. Only day scholar students are there." And he was telling, "Please start a hostel. I will send my children." So hostel अभी हमको नहीं है, but थोड़ा बहुत standardized syllabus मैं देता हूँ, and the children love to listen to the stories. So then I used to motivate them to give back to the society. And every year we started collecting funds, and we started giving right from 1997 onwards, that what little amount we collected for the nation, we used to give. In 1999, the first contribution for the Kargil war, हम दे दूंगा 4 लाख का 30,000 amount we gave it to the Prime Minister Shri Vajpayee ji, and then PM then he told me, I am very moved by the Desh Bhakti song. So you please, if you give me every time for the nation, I will come to your Silver Jubilee. I said, definitely I will give money, contribution by the children. And he came for the Silver Jubilee, and we gave 1 lakh rupee for the Assam Relief Fund. I was so happy. And beautifully, he honored all the teachers, some 25 to 30 teachers with a silver pot. And everyone was very happy. After that, we started giving 6.25 lakhs in the year 2001, when गुजरात में भूकंप आता है ना, उस समय हम पैसा कलेक्ट दिया, और इसमें 6,25,000 rupees हम वाजपेयी जी के when he came to चेन्नई वो आता है, उस समय हम दे देगा. He said, "What is this 25?" Then I told him, that was my national award money. So that also I am contributing with that. So 6.25 lakhs. He was so happy. And he said, "You continue to do this work." And now we collected 1 rupee and brought out for our Prime Minister, Shri Modi ji, and the Mann Ki Baat told 1 rupee per day. So 1 year. So in 2024 I started it, because 2025 I am completing my 50 years of the school service. And the school service, how I started, I am born in a family of 12 children, and I have 8 brothers. I used to ask my mother, "Amma, why you are not sending even one boy to the army?" My mummy का बोलना है, "अम्मा, you have 15 बच्चों हैं, एक ही देश का सेवा करके कोई नहीं जाना है, मैं जाऊंगा। इसलिए वो बोलता है मैं वहां का थोड़ा मुश्किल हो गया, यो हमारा घर में ऐसा नहीं करेगा, कोई नहीं करेगा, यू कैन गो, मामा आई विल गो। देन माय मदर को थोड़ा बगस हुआ एंड एट 19 ईयर्स है ना, हमको शादी कर दिया। शादी में माय हस्बैंड आई टोल्ड आई डोंट वांट टू गेट मैरिड टू यू, आई वांट टू डू माय सर्विस। वो बोल दिया अच्छा मैं हेल्प करूँ, मदद दे दूंगा, कोई बात नहीं, यू आर अ गुड लेडी, आई विल गिव यू टाइम टू go to the school. Then I was introduced to my guru Sri Vedantam ji, and it was he who said start a school. Then he started helping me. वो थोड़ा गर्व से मदद दिया था। वो मदद क्या क्या मदद है हमको नहीं बोलना है, इतना मदद वो कर दिया। मैं स्कूल में 1975 में स्कूल विथ 7 बच्चों में स्टार्ट कर दिया। और स्टार्ट करने के लिए वो दूसरा विजयदशमी में 115 चिल्ड्रन आए थे, and everything from then onwards I did not look back. The school became very popular in all the areas, and we had next at Adambakam, then at Tambram, and then at Kanyakumari district. Slowly one by one हम स्कूल ओपन कर दिया। फर्स्ट चेन्नई में, देन आदमबाकम में, देन ताम्बरम में, देन पूरा 7 स्कूलों एट कन्याकुमारी में, कन्याकुमारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, एक तूतुकुड़ी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, एक रामनाथन डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, सब टोटली 15 हिंदू विद्यालय आना है, और 15 स्कूल्स में 10,000 एंड कितना आपके बोल रहे हैं ना, 10,000 10,000 अभी 15 स्कूल में 10,000 बच्चों पढ़ना है, और 600 विद्यार्थी बोलना है, और 200 नॉन टीचिंग वो मदद कर दिया। वो सबके लिए टोटली एक 1 रुपी पर डे, दिन पर 1 रुपया वो दे दिया। और 2024 started, and 2025-26 we completed with 40 lakhs रुपया। 40 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 40 lakh। We have collected 40 lakh rupee, and then I wrote letters to the Prime Minister, the school, about the bachon, about everything, and how they do, what they do. Then I surprised, एक मैसेज आए थे, क्या 15 दिन के April 15th हम नागरकोइल आता है, you come there and meet me. So I couldn't show my happiness, you know. बहुत खुशी है। When Prime Minister दे दिया ना, डेट दे दिया, आइए उधर कन्याकुमारी में देखना हो। So when I entered, he came and he said, Namaste, Golden Jubilee. Immediately I said, yes sir, Golden Jubilee, I am waiting for your approval. And then, कैसा आता है वो बड़ा कार्यक्रम? I said, I very much want you to come. Please come, आइए। Immediately he said, then what are all the donations you have made? Tell me. And then I started telling that how much we gave in Kargil War, and then how much we gave for 1 lakh during the Silver Jubilee to Mr. Vajpayee ji, and we have got in 2001 Prime Minister Gujarat भूकंप 2000 में 2001 में भूकंप है गुजरात में इस समय we gave 6.25 lakhs and 2001 I also got 25,000 rupees for my best teacher national award. 6 lakhs plus 25, 6 lakhs 25,000 हम दे दिया and Vajpayee ji was so pleased and he said you must do this continuously. Children must contribute for the nation. Everything should be for the nation. I said I will do it. I will tell the children about the land, about the contribution of each and every district, about India में कितना कितना देशभक्ति, कितना कितना सर्विस वाला है, वो सब हमको दे दिया ये फ्रीडम. We didn't do anything, but the sub people, everyone, they gave this freedom and we are very happy. So we should make India the best, the great. So हम ऐसा करना है, ऐसा मदद कर दिया and every year the students come here to the school for the Independence Day and Republic Day. उस समय only our past students आता है. No one outside न बाहर में कोई नहीं आता है. हमारा बच्चों आता है and they give donations and 2 students I must tell. One Harish Nanda during Corona में समय में he 9 lakh रुपया दे दिया. 9 lakh रुपया he gave and Ramanathan a student, another student, yearly 3 lakhs for the past 5 years he has been giving 15 lakhs. So all the students wanted to give back to the school or to the nation. They feel if they give it to the school, then you are serving the nation also. So that is how we are getting it. And for lay, there was a flash flood was there. At that time Swami Vijnanand was here and along with him I went to lay and gave them nearly 3 lakh rupees because the school was completely washed out. And that time I also got the glimpse of Sindhu, the great Sindhu where our civilization came. Oh, इतना परंपरा हमारा पास में, इतना परंपरा, इतना गर्व है. And all these things I told the children and that was the greatest moment. And then in the golden jubilee of India's independence, 50 years we celebrated for 5 days. 5 दिन में हम सेलिब्रेट कर दिया हमारा गोल्डन जुबली में. जो इस समय हम भारदियार है ना, आपको मालूम है भारदियार एक ग्रेट कवि, वो उनका म्यूजिक, उनका सॉन्ग्स which traces the Indian freedom, we did a tableau. It was so great. And when we also went to Delhi and in the Red Fort we did perform that. So all these things was very much movable and our schools have got ATL lab, Atal Tinkering Lab and out of 9 schools है ना, 9 higher secondary schools है, इसमें 6 schools got this ATL lab. Prime Minister SSV scholarship, बच्चों वो are in 9th कक्षा में और 11 बच्चा में उनका प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री मोदी जी स्कॉलरशिप दे दिया. ये स्कॉलरशिप यशस्वी स्कॉलरशिप का नाम और उधर में 133 बच्चों गेटिंग दी स्कॉलरशिप एंड 9th and 11th. आई एम सो हैप्पी. बहुत खुशी है ये स्कॉलरशिप में. बच्चों बहुत कम बैकग्राउंड में आता है तो 133 बच्चों, गरीबों बच्चों, दे गॉट द हेल्प, उसका मदद दे दिया. आई एम सो हैप्पी. आई एम वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल टू हिम. हमारा स्कूल में 100% रिजल्ट 10th स्टैंडर्ड कक्षा में और 10th कक्षा में और बाहर कक्षा में वो दोनों कक्षा में 100% रिजल्ट है एंड इन द स्टेट लेवल कैटेगरीज में बॉल बैडमिंटन में जाना है, थ्रोबॉल में जाना है, नेशनल लेवल में जाना है, नेशनल में कराटे जाना है। वो सबके लिए वो खेलने के लिए बहुत परफॉर्मेंस है। और थोड़ा एटीएल में आर्डिनो बेस्ड चाइल्ड रेस्क्यू सिस्टम फॉर बोरवेल, इस बोरवेल सिस्टम अभी आज क्या बोलता है दैट नेशनल पेटेंटिंग वो करता है। पेटेंटिंग में वो अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट करने के लिए वो रिकग्निशन दे दिया। So all these things are so very nice and I am very very happy, and if Mr. Modi ji my school आना है थोड़ा गोल्डन जुबली में पार्टिसिपेट करता है और मैं इनविटेशन दे दूंगा, मोदी जी प्लीज कम टू माय स्कूल and kindly honor all the teachers who are with me, and that my mother will also be happy that I have chosen a correct path. ये अच्छा पाथ है सेवा करने के लिए। हमारा बच्चों को पूरा भारतवर्ष का स्टोरी मालूम है, भारतवर्ष का ग्रेटनेस मालूम है, भारतवर्ष का कोई बच्चों के लिए क्या क्या महत्व है ये सब वो मालूम है, सब पढ़ना है। My service is this and Modi ji should come. I want to sum up today what I have done, how I have done and what is the result of it. I come from a very traditional family where my mother never allowed me to go out of the house, and I was getting into the marriage when I was hardly 19 years old. And then I told my husband I don't want to get married because I wanted to serve for the nation, and he was good enough to tell me that you can do it and then I will help you. So I am thankful to Mr. Seshadri who helped me to continue in this journey of service, and today we have 15 schools, that's because of my mother who also permitted me and my husband, and today we have this 15 schools doing very, very well. I have not told you how we maintain very good disciplined habits in the children is because of our fine arts. The fine arts which I introduced in the year 1994 with 10 fine arts, that is Bharatanatyam, Carnatic music, tabla, mridangam, flute, violin, harmonium, drawing and painting, shilambam and yoga. All these things made the children to learn in a particular posture so that they will not be able to distracted by any other thing. And these helped my children to bring out as an excellent children. Yoga, we have been introduced for more than 25 years in the school, and we have some 10 yoga masters are working with along with the 20 cultural and traditional teachers in the fine arts. Okay, with all these things, my journey was fully successful. I pray to God that He should bestow me with more health to serve this nation, great nation, which has got a great history and one of the surviving civilization where no other country can be provided. I am a good traveler also, along with trekker, and I have visited so many countries. There is no country in the world like India. Please understand that. And I tell my children that the life here is so good compared to any other country. Go to Europe, go to Russia, go to Southeast nations. Everywhere some sort of calamity is there, but not in India. Today you are all very safe under this government, and so many activities, so many highways have been built, and we have to improve our own Tamil Nadu with your contributions, my dear children, and you have to really contribute. You are contributing, and I am saying that this is not enough. You have to do more, so that all will rise. There is a saying that if each one of them give one finger one finger to lift it, we can lift the 100 tons of the problems of India and we can solve it. Please do participate in everything, and this school is ready to come with you to do all the projects to do, and I am very happy that this our CRPF 40 soldiers who contributed their life for the nation's freedom has not been forgotten. Our children took a great procession in this whole area with no other school. Westmabalam is a highly populated area of middle class people, but nobody will come out, no one will. But there will be always people talking, but we never worried. And we took a great procession and showed how our soldiers have done it. So also NCC has been introduced in the school. Our NCC cadets are participating in the state National Days March and also in the Republic Day and Independence Day. And I am very grateful to all my teaching staff and non-teaching staff who stand by me for whatever the project I take it up, they give me a lending hand, and there lies the coordination. If this coordination is going to become bigger, then we all can make India the greatest nation, and that is the basic idea of education. Education is how to behave, how to stay free, how to protect your country, and how to serve, and how to be very in your heart that you are going to be the people of one of the greatest nations in the world. Thank you so much. When I listen to the Mann Ki Baat every month on the last Sunday, I will get motivated by his speech and the way he interacts in explaining about the country and everything. And now that one project I took it, that collection of 1 rupee, I will also take up other things what he suggests and see that the students participate and also contribute more to the country. And I have no doubt that Mr. Prime Minister will definitely come to my school to honor us and to participate in the Golden Jubilee celebration. We are all waiting for you, Mr. Prime Minister. I invite you again and again, because do not disappoint us. My children are very eager to invite you, because you had been there and met some of the children at Kanyakumari. At Chennai also you should do it, so that the children will get more and more abhilasha to continue their contribution to this great nation. I would like to share one more thing in this, that when I took this project of Mann Ki Baat of collecting 1 rupee per day for our soldiers, I never expected that I will get an opportunity to meet the Prime Minister. But when I got it, oh alas, I think that Prime Minister should come to my school, because everyone, every time, whatever he says, we rise up to the call. And the moment I met him, the aura on him was something hitting on your face, and I could see that how he is blessed by God, and how he is holding this whole country without any problem or heaviness of these problems. And I really pray to God that he should have a wonderful life of good health and success. And because such a person only can motivate my students. Such a leader only can give the guidance and the direction to my students. Others cannot. They are also capable, but we need the leader. And the leader is there in Mr. Modi ji, and I hope you will not disappoint us. You will definitely come, because greater work has to be taken and greater things to happen in our land. Thank you so much. I am very happy listening to the Mann Ki Baat, where our Prime Minister has mentioned my name and the team which has contributed so much for this 1 rupee donation of 40 lakhs to the Army Welfare Fund. I never expected this to happen, but it has happened for good. What is that good? That the children will be motivated again and again and again to serve the nation without any hesitation. This is what we want it. The recognition is always needed, and this recognition through Mann Ki Baat, I think I have to give my namaskar, and I have to be very, very happy to share this with all of you. Thank you so much. வணக்கங்க, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. மன் கி பாத்ல நம்ம பிரைம் மினிஸ்டர் நம்ம பள்ளிக்கூடத்தை பத்தி, ஜெயகோபால் கரோடியா இந்து வித்யாலயா மற்ற இந்து வித்யாலயங்கள் அனைத்தும் சேர்ந்து 40 லட்சம் ரூபாயை நாங்க கலெக்ட் பண்ணி 2 வருஷமா கலெக்ட் பண்ணி அவர்கிட்ட கொடுத்தது மிகவும் பெருமையாக இருக்கிறது. இந்த பெருமை எப்படி இது வரும் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சா, என்னோட குழந்தைகளுக்கு இது ஒரு பெரிய மோட்டிவேஷன், பெரிய முன்னுதாரணம். அவங்க திருப்பி நாங்க இதை பண்றோம் அதை பண்றோம்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஐ எம் வெரி ஹாப்பி. இப்பவே எங்களுக்கு ஒரு சஜஷன் வந்திருக்கு. ஒவ்வொரு பள்ளிக்கூடமும் 15 பள்ளிக்கூடத்துல எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரே நாள்ல 50 வருடம் வராது. ஒவ்வொரு பள்ளிக்கூடத்துக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு வருடம் வரும். அப்போ ஒவ்வொரு வருடமும் நாங்க இதே மாதிரி கலெக்ட் பண்ணி கொடுக்கறேன்னு சொன்னது மிகவும் எனக்கு சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கிறது. அதனால பிரைம் மினிஸ்டருக்கு நாங்க சொல்லுவது என்னவென்றால், இதோடு எங்களை பாராட்டுதலோடு நிற்காமல் தயவு செய்து எங்களுடைய கோல்டன் ஜூப்ளி இந்த பொன் விழாவில் கலந்து கொண்டு எங்கள் அனைவரையும் மகிழ்ச்சிப்படுத்துவீர்கள் என்று நம்புகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.